But before that, we're going to execute our bodies and then we have our energizer. Are you ready to stretch your body?
Yes!
Then let's sing May Lima Ka Chika Day. 1, 2, 3, start!
May lima ka chika ding batong sasama, nilupad ang isa, upad na lang sila. Chika ding, naglupad, lupad. Chika ding, naglupad, lupad. May upad na chika ding batong sasama, nilupad ang isa, tulong na lang sila. Chika ding, naglupad, lupad. Chika ding, naglupad, lupad. May tulong at chika ding ni batong sasama, nilupad ang isa, kuha na lang sila. Chika ding, naglupad, lupad. Chika ding, naglupad, lupad. May duha ka chika ding ni batong sasama, nilupad ang isa, kusa na lang siya. Chika ding, naglupad, lupad. Chika ding, naglupad, lupad. May isa ka chika ding ni batong sasama, nilupad na siya, wala na siya. Chika ding, naglupad, lupad. Chika ding, naglupad, lupad.
Okay, thank you. Please take your seats. And now, let's check your attendance. Who is absent from the boys? None! How about the girls?
None.
If none, then please give a clap for yourself. Once again, good morning. But before that, let us know what is our classroom rules. Kindly please read.
Rules. Listen carefully. Interact mindfully. Sit properly. Take turns. Encourage others. Never interrupt.
Okay, thank you. Class, what was our topic last meeting?
Integers, ma'am.
What?
Integers, ma'am.
Okay. Again, integer class is a whole number from the set of negative and non-negative, positive and zero number. But before we proceed to our final discussion, we have first our motivation. Imagine you and your friends sharing pizza. One of your friend brings 3/4 of pizza. Let's figure it out. And then, your one friend also brings 1/2 pizza. So, the sign is addition. So, based on this given example, what is our topic for today? Anyone?
Fraction, ma'am.
And the other side?
Addition.
Addition?
Fraction, ma'am.
Almost there?
Measure of central tendency, ma'am.
Jayon, what is your answer?
Adding fraction, ma'am.
Okay, exactly. Very good. But before we are going to proceed to our discussion, let us know our learning objectives. Let us know first our learning objectives. At the end of this lesson, the student should be able to, everybody, kindly read.
Understand the concept of rational numbers and how to present them in fraction form. Accurately perform addition of rational numbers with the same and different denominator. Develop confidence in solving problems involving rational numbers.
Thank you. Ma'am Martis will discuss our topic for today.
So again, good morning, class.
Good morning, ma'am.
So our topic this morning is all about Okay, class, before we proceed to a proper lesson, let's have first the pretest. So, kindly answer this item 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in your paper. I'll give you 3 minutes to answer this pretest. Okay, make it fast. Okay, class, are you done?
Yes!
Okay, pass your papers to the center aisle. Okay, thank you. So, eyes on the board. So, class, our topic for today is adding rational numbers. So, what is rational numbers? Rational numbers is any number that can be expressed as a fraction, a over b, where a and b are integers and b is not equal to 0. So remember na ang b cannot be equal to 0. Dili siya mahimong rational number if b is equal to 0. Example, 3/5. Is this a fraction?
Yes!
So, 3 is our numerator. The upper, oh, what's that noise? Quiet. Listen. So, 5 is the, it's called what?
Denominator!
Okay, very good. So, that's example of rational numbers. Any number that can be expressed as a over b. 1/2, 1/4. What else?
1/5.
Oh, very good. So on and so forth. Okay, class. We are now in adding rational numbers with the same denominator. So, to add rational numbers with the same denominator, simply add the numerators and keep the numerator the same. So, meaning, if same ang denominator, automatically add only the numerator and then copy the denominator.
Okay.
So, example number 1. 1/4 plus 2/4 is equal to 3/4. Why is it 3/4?
1 plus 4 is equal to 3.
Question class, where is the denominator here in fraction? Very good. The numerator? Very good. So, let's have another example. We have 5/11. This is what we call over. Plus 2/11. So, let's, kay parihang mag-denominator sa buhaton.
Copy the denominator.
So, it will become 7/11. So, gets?
Yes.
Example number 3. 3/9 plus 4/9 is equal to?
7/9.
So, 3 plus 4 equals 7 and copy the denominator. So, sa'yo na class?
Yes.
So, okay class, I have here spin the wheel game. So, na-address yung mga name class. Listen. Melanie, sit properly. Sit properly. Okay class, I have here as a wheel. Let's have spin the wheel game. Let's have another example. 3/5 plus 2/5. So, I will call common denominator. So, 9 divided by 3?
3.
So, 3. 9 divided by 9?
1.
1. So, 1 times 1 was 1. 2 times 3 was 6. So, convert all equivalent fractions and change the denominator to the result. So, we have 1 over 9 plus 6 over 9. We have 7 over
9.
9. So, maluwis term pa, dili na.
Dili na.
So, dili na. This is our final answer. So, ani ra kasi tuloy lang guys. So, example number 2. 2/3 plus 1/4. Di man sila kanang denominator. So, we are going to find the least common denominator. So, the factor of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12, and so on. 4 is 4, 8, 12, 16, and so on. So, ang common denominator nilang duha ka number is 12. So, our LCD is 12. Convert all the equivalent fractions and change the denominator to LCD. So, we have 2/3, 1/4. So, the common denominator of these two rational numbers is 12. So, 12 divided by 4? 3. 12 divided by 3?
4.
4. So, multiply. 2 times 4?
8.
1 times 3?
3.
3. Sorry. So, we have, rewrite this rational number. 8 plus 3 over 12. So, 8 over 12 plus 3 over 12, we have
11 over
11 over 12. Maluwis term pa or dili na?
No.
Dili na. So, answer is 11 over 12. So, understand?
Yes.
Very good.
Mommy?
Understand, class?
Yes.
Any questions?
None.
So, kung wala na, let's try to answer this application. So, choose your partner, then you are going to answer this following problem using adding rational numbers with the same and unlike denominator. So, I will give you 5 minutes to answer this following rational number.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, are you done, class? Okay, let's answer the following. So, number 1. If the recipe requires 1/3 cup of sugar and 2/3 cup of flour, how much is the total is needed? So same ang denominator, we are going to add a denominator. How is denominator? Plus 2/3. So same man, copy the denominator. So, and add the numerator. 1 plus 2? 3. So, same man sila. Okay, class, to sum up, when adding rational numbers, always look at the denominator. The same denominator, then copy the denominator, then add the numerator. If malawis term pa class, what we're going to do?
Lowest
So,
term.
simplify if possible. Then, if different denominators, you must find the least common denominator. If different denominators. And question class.
Wala na, ma'am.
So, ako na. So, how we are going to apply rational numbers in our daily living? Anyone?
Ako, ma'am.
Okay, Miss Drumata, please stand up.
Kanang mupalit ka, ma'am, or kanang sa magluto ka ng natay mga ingredients o kung sa kadaghan ang ingredients ibutang naa siya yung mga measure like for example 1/2 cup of sugar or 1 cup of flour ana, ma'am.
Yes, very good. That's it. Anyone? Who else?
Done so far na,